My surname just disintegrated inside a mahogany-paneled office. The lawyer's lips kept moving. I heard static everything I ever signed, every school form, every proud introduction, erased. I felt the floor tilt, my fingers search the desk edge for something solid. Only the echo of her voice calling me, by a name that apparently never belonged to me. I wanted to scream, but my throat sealed. I pictured her coffin, flowers still fresh, and hated how peaceful she looked while leaving this grenade behind. I couldn't breathe, I needed air, I needed truth. I needed my mother, except I no longer knew who that was. I still smell her coffee on the timer. I still fold her socks the way she taught me, I still set 3 plates. Radio plays the oldie station she hummed while ironing my school shirts. I walk the hallway carpet barefoot, counting flower patterns like when I was 7. Everything is where she left it almost. On the hook by the door hangs her red winter coat. The one she wore to every recital, every game, every parent-teacher night. I pass it 10 times a day. I never touch it, today I do. My thumb brushes the inside pocket, something stiff square. I peel back the frayed lining. A tiny brass key taped with yellowed cellophane. It looks like a diary key. I tell myself it's probably just luggage. I put it back. I keep walking. Gravy bubbles, I stir, I taste, needs oregano. She always said that I add oregano. I smile, the key waits, I ignore it, I label boxes. Kitchen, bathroom, keepsakes. I hum with the radio, my voice cracks. I blame the onion, night falls. The house breathes like her lungs. I climb the stairs, the attic pull chain sways. I do not reach for it, not yet. I pretend I still have time to be her child. I peel the key from the lining, the tape is yellow, it cracks like cartilage. The attic ladder groans, each rung punches my spine. Dust tastes of her perfume, powder, aspirin. Wool, the footlocker waits under the eaves, green metal. Dense like knuckles, key fits, click, I breathe metal inside. One manila folder. Edges soft as a tongue, my name typed wrong. Middle initial flipped, I lift the paper. Paper lifts me, adoption decree, my baby footprint, smudged purple, still smaller than my thumb. Birth mother line gone, not blank, attacked, pen stabs, black trenches, paper skin shredded. Someone wanted her erased so hard the ink bled through 3 sheets. I think Dad did this, I think he protected me. I think I can live with that, I fold the page along the scars. Crease cuts my palm, I whisper, thanks to the woman I will never know. I close the trunk, I close the attic, I close my chest. Tomorrow I will ask him for her name, tomorrow I will forgive him. Tonight I am still their son, the house ticks around me like a cooling body. I carry the folder downstairs, I set it on her placemat, I pour milk. I spill milk, white river, reaches the folder edge, I snatch it away. Droplets hang from the torn name like tiny pearls, I lick them off without thinking. Milk tastes wrong, milk tastes like envelope glue. There is another envelope inside the folder. Thicker sealed, no writing, just a smear of the same purple ink. My baby foot saying stop, I wedge it under the napkin holder. I pretend I didn't see it, I hum her lullaby off key. The fridge answers with a mechanical death rattle, I stare at the sealed edge. It pulses, it breathes, I leave it intact. I need one more night of the story I just finished telling myself. Upstairs I tuck the folder beneath my pillow. The envelope crackles when my head sinks. A heartbeat against my ear, I switch off the light. Dark smells of lavender, and lies, I count breaths, I lose count. Somewhere the key is still warm, somewhere the scratched-out name is screaming. The lawyer's voice is a low hum, like a bee trapped in glass. Your real birth certificate is in the box. Your last name is yours, the room tilts. I grip the chair, wood bites my palm, I think. This is the worst part. I think, after this, air will come back, flash, yesterday funeral ends, cars pull away. Rain eats their tire tracks, I pack her closet. Wool smells of mothballs, and cough drops, something rattles. Tiny brass key taped inside a pocket. My fingers know what it's for before I do, attic stairs creak like old bone. Footlocker waits, I breathe once. Twice, lock snaps open like a jaw. Inside, one paper, folded small, my baby footprint, pink, wrinkled, adoption, birth mother line clawed out. Ink trenches fury in every gouge. I drive to Dad. I don't knock. I throw the paper on his kitchen table. He crumbles, says her name. Mom's best friend dead in a crash, gave me away so I could live. Relief floods salty, I drown in it gladly. I think now the ache has a shape, I think I can carry this shape. I hug him, we cry like broken hinges, I leave lighter, I leave almost smiling. Back at the lawyer, he holds another envelope, yellow sealed. Marked in Mom's shaky capitals. After he thinks he KNOWS, I laugh, short bark. I say keep it, I say, I already know. He pushes it across the desk. Paper cuts my thumb when I tear single sheet, official words, blur, biological mother alive. Name printed clear, Claire, Aunt Claire, Sunday, barbecues, presents every birthday. Same green eyes as me, the room folds. I sink to my knees on cheap carpet. I whisper no, no, no like a lullaby, the key is cold now. The footprint is smaller than ever. I thought this was the worst part. I was wrong, I drive no destination, just away the envelope rides shotgun breathing. I think adoptive safe done. I think Claire alive, my hands slip on the wheel. Rain starts, wipers, can't keep up, I pull over, engine running, heartbeat louder. I tear the envelope again, second page. Inside, I missed it, not a report. A letter, Mom's handwriting, she knew. She planned, she paid Claire to vanish. 25 grand, 1989. Keep quiet, take the name, forget the kid, Claire signed, cash, silence. I read the amount, I hear Dad's voice. He never knew, he thinks adoption legal. Clean, but this is sale receipt, merchandise, I am merchandise. The rain turns to hail. Glass rattles, I shake harder, third paper, hospital form. No father listed, blank line. Stamped unknown, Claire alone, she sold me and erased him, erased half of me. I search the box in my mind, no name to grab, ghost father. I could burn it all, pretend I never saw, keep being me. Dad's heart can't take more, he just lost his wife, I could spare him. But Claire is out there smiling at picnics, letting me call her aunt. She watched me grow, counted money every night. I feel her breath on my neck, now I could call her. Hear her voice crack, demand, while I could call the police, fraud, kidnapping by ink. I could drive to her house, knock, show the page, instead I sit. Rain filling the car with steam, choices, claw, tell the truth, lose Dad's peace. Lose every memory, stay silent, lose myself, lose the right to breathe. I look at the rear view, a stranger stares back, same eyes as Claire. I shift into drive, tires squeal on wet asphalt, I head toward her town. I don't know if I'll stop, I don't know if I'll speak. I only know I can't sit still, the road narrows, headlights flicker. Heartbeat counts the miles, I grip the letter paper, cut skin, blood feels honest. I whisper sorry Dad, I whisper wait Claire, I whisper who am I? No answer comes, only engine, only rain, only forward. I stand at the lawyer's desk. Wood smells like lemon, and lies, he clears his throat. Your real birth certificate is in the box. Your last name is yours, the room tilts. I grip the chair, arm nails dig, varnish, flashback knocks. Yesterday funeral ends, relatives gone. Silence drips, I pack her closet, winter coat, swing, something rattles. Tiny key taped inside lining, brass teeth grin, attic ladder groans, footlocker waits. Lock clicks open like a mouth inside. Paper, yellow, folded tight, adoption, my baby footprint. Birth mother line gouged out, ink claws. I drive to Dad, he crumbles. Says I came from Mom's best friend dead in a crash, he sobs. I almost believe, peace, lawyer slides, second envelope sealed, marked. After he thinks he knows. Paper trembles, DNA report, biological mother alive, name. Printed Claire, Aunt Claire, Christmas cookies. Birthday calls, same eyes as mine, I taste, metal world shrinks to pinhole. She knew every day, watch me grow, let me call her aunt, I whisper why. No answer, engine starts, rain smears windshield like tears, I can't shed, road bends. Her porch light flickers ahead. I stop at the curb. Heart punches ribs. Letter bleeds in my fist. I open the door. Foot on gravel. Second foot freezes. Another envelope tucked under her mat. My name on it. My handwriting dated tomorrow. I haven't written it, yet I pick it up. Paper warm, ink fresh. Inside, one line. She is not the end. I look up. Window dark. No silhouette. Only my reflection holding a note. I don't remember. I breathe and can't move forward. Can't go back. Engine idles behind me. Rain keeps counting. Who left this when? Why my script? I whisper again. No name left to say.